Yeah.
Can go to amend it.
You want to go inside of it? And then one day, I wanted to go to Bikeway with Mom to see what they could tell me about
Food is taking a very long time to come.
So I wasn't thinking. And as I pulled up to the parking space, there was a higher barrier. And it hits.
You eat up all the vegetables.
The result there was a strip
Of
about this
course.
big.
I hope they will leave it
Not the
for
length of the car, about this big. Full of these black marks
skip.
from the stone. So I got down on my side, I had the paint, and colored in each one, varnished it over, and put that wax on.
I'm gonna come again. You can come collect the plates there.
Yes.
Oh, what's for dessert?
And put the wax on it. You wouldn't notice it at all. When I went to the body shop and said, can you do this? He first thought it was from the road, stones from the road. No, it's
I didn't put it there,
and he said $400. But they'd have to take the bumper off. No.
What's the chances that something goes wrong with the bumper? Yes.
So, I know with that. If I did it myself, you wouldn't see it.
next picture? I'll take care.
Well, I've been
Hey
pretty good
guys,
with
who
the
is
mallet.
on? Who is on? Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome. Happy Mother's Day and welcome.
No, I don't. It's hardly anything.
Welcome in.
No?
Oh, you hit the bumper
Welcome in.
Oh, that was... Yeah, and it released on the side.
Jesus, oh, your phone pretty, so I want my phone take it all the
I couldn't
time.
get it back.
Your phone pretty,
It
you know.
wouldn't stay back. And the reason is...
So wait on that.
The clip was broken. I went to the internet.
I'll show you.
And
How
sure
you view it?
here's how you fix
Hold
it.
on, let me take one more.
There's a glue out there, 8Js or something, comes very cheap, $2.50. You mix
You know,
it
for
together,
moving up your phone a countdown. I know white sun countdown. Hey guys.
reinforce it for a while. And that was a couple of years back.
Look at it.
That hasn't gone anywhere.
Hey guys, welcome in
I don't
tonight.
know what it is. I got 2 tubes of it. It's great.
I'm trying to have dinner, but the food that take long to come. So I can't show you nothing yet. I eat off the vegetable and I drink off the soup. Waiting on the food to come. Welcome in, guys.
Yeah, I did one other thing.
Hungry.
Down in Charlotte. It backed up. Not seeing a mailbox that was sticking out in the road.
You look good?
And I scraped.
Yeah, because you move, because you put it on countdown.
This one was.
Yeah,
I would have
because you
taken
put
red
it, so your
paint
phone sharper than mine.
scratch, but that's not me.
And yeah, I want my phone to take it.
What
My
I did is
phone
I
not
went
good.
after the light, clean it off,
iPhone Pro, 14 Pro Max.
went
I'll
on to
take good
paint,
picture again.
so it became too much. So I went to town. They painted the quarter panel.
That's a cute baby.
Did a hell of
And
a
then
good
it could
job.
be able to
And with the light, I went at that with
tip me.
You wouldn't know anything was
Tip
going on.
Take my picture.
Took a picture once. Showed it to the person. Gave it to them because they have these lights in.
Hi guys, like up the live, share, like, Happy Mother's Day if there are any mothers here.
Do I get back?
I don't know who are on
Oh,
because
great.
nobody's saying anything. You take a picture? I never ready. That pretty, but me never ready. That's artificial. I'm white up on it.
Like,
Mercy, come take me now. Me need see. Me need a pose. Come, me ready for pose.
Oh,
Lady told me never use Colgate. I don't know why we never did. We used Crest.
whatever's on sale.
You see it, you have to keep it smile because your phone counts it down.
Free. I'd like to know.
yeah, but you get the changes longer.
Yes.
Wow, this is pretty. Guys, look at this picture. Pretty. I'm feeling phone take it. I don't know, iPhone. Pretty.
Yeah, I'll take it. I told them honestly, they also gave me a Christmas present, like they give everybody.
This was the smile.
Super smart. And they're like, I said, God, it's
I forgot to switch my
just like, no,
iPhone.
guys.
What kind of phone that? Oh God, Galaxy picture sharp. Bad.
Like, you're supposed to take this little dollop with no water, and it's a very weird, different.
So at this diner, guys, there's some Mother's Day special. Them gone with the menu already. And it's not bad. You get 2 sides. You get a dessert.
They don't sell their stuff.
And you get soup or vegetables. Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Not bad.
And they have a whole line of
So we done eat the soup and the vegetable already.
stuff that we can basically wipe
On to the
day.
main course.
Even if that's my version of this hey,
But the main course I take long. I don't like know why them always take up the menu so fast. I can't people get fit. You know,
big
take it in good. Them gone with it.
seeds.
Them could have did wait a little bit more, man.
They've been raided.
so what do? They wait if they close up and then they wait a few days and they reopen?
We'll see what happens this time. But there's like 3 or 4 signs on there.
Oh, yeah, take on me?
Yeah, but then people,
You?
they know people are, some people don't really want it, they'll go in
Oh, yeah, yeah, my phone.
if
The
they
article
can.
I read was that landlords have more power than the police department. In order for them to set up a raid and seizure,
Nice place for videos. No music.
the court system
At least not yet.
do this, which could be months on end.
It's a TV.
Versus landlord could basically cancel the lease on grounds that someone said to me,
smile, no?
landlords are probably being paid extra.
You know, smile when you take picture.
Read another article on cannabis. I'm reading this in AARP
You just take pictures,
magazine,
you
which
know,
is a
but that's
reliable source. And, well, the verdict is out. They do say that continual use of cannabis can ultimately lead to dementia.
You said medical.
Food take long, so
Continual
enough orders
use,
them have.
medical or other.
Enough orders them have out, going out.
Cannabis is cannabis. We know somebody, Chuck Stein, who takes medical cannabis before he goes
When
to
if you come
bed.
collect these, you know, come some, you know, order juice. Jesus, so the man there, come take juice order.
Pure and simple.
I told you I tried it once semi-recently with Romeo and Gummy.
They say they're the worst, actually, because people fall in love with the flavor of gummies.
Coming,
Well, we
coming. Oh, on a free.
not Disney. Well, first of all, it was our first. He was. I think this was like post the breakup. And he was fixing these moods sometimes.
I know.
That's pretty strong. So I said, okay, I don't
Happy
know what was
Mother's
in
Day.
there.
Please on.
What the hell,
Say something like the live, share the live.
you know? And we're in the apartment. First of all, it doesn't take seconds. And
I'm gonna do a picture. Where's them?
there was 5,
You man, everything now come with
read
nothing.
up an article.
Oh, they have
If
something
you
for
are
drink from
the
him.
first time user, start with 2.
Oh, you call them.
My we did about 10 times.
Oh, you call them. Oh, you call them. Something to drink.
Take a full tablet of Trinidad at 50 milligrams, which is the lowest. It'll knock you for a loop.
What's that permission mean
For yeah, if you take it. And I did when I got the prescription. I took one tablet, and I left the house feeling like, boy, this really works.
Well, I was like, I
And the
was trying
food
to brush
come.
my teeth.
I end the live.
After a while, it was another world. I said, I shouldn't be behind a wheel. So I came home and slept it off or whatever. Terrible.
Oh, like,
I called the doctor. I said, what's going on here? He says, well, try half or even try quarters. So I tried
Like
quarters.
our,
Quarters is not effective. But it does help.
Our
What I have
food
discovered
take long
is
to
that
cook.
my tremor is not to be compared with somebody who really has a benign tremor. We have one guy at the CLS, Lifetime Study, and you know, he's like this. He's one of the techies, and he was
Guys,
asked.
picture.
Gary, he was asked from one of the
I get a
speakers
picture.
to
I get a
work
picture.
the mouse track.
I get a picture.
And he said to me, what do you think that experience was like? I said, I can imagine. So I showed him the bottle.
The picture, your phone take good picture. Galaxy, guys, Galaxy take good picture.
Yeah, and I
Galaxy,
still
I
take
lick out my iPhone.
Take it to, it's natural stuff.
Unless me not understand how to use it.
It doesn't.
Not
It-
the
it's just
13,
natural. It's
iPhone
organic.
13 took
This guy,
better
his
pictures
wife
than
knows everything.
14.
They go to the doctor. Oh no, I wouldn't take that, blah, blah, blah. So he won't take it. Asshole. No, he just, he'll like that you watch him. You can't tell with me.
what's hard for me is I'm
I may look for the food that come out of the kitchen. I don't know.
I'm trying to line it up with the screw.
I don't know,
If you give me
guys.
a needle and want me to thread it, it's an issue. If you want me to paint the boat, it's not an issue. I can actually hold one hand and do it. No, it's not an issue with me.
No, but I never took that gummy again. It was like, it didn't make me sick. It was like, the room was spinning.
Oh, them have ice
I didn't
cream
have any desire to throw up.
for dessert.
Yeah, but then
Ice cream.
did you not, after a little bit,
You know, some
start
I
feeling
had-
like you're dry or good or comfortable or?
It's almost ready to cook it.
Yeah, something to drink.
We
You didn't take
I felt like the
cranberry.
world was spinning around. So
cranberry juice.
I didn't really feel that.
So you didn't get anything out of it?
Nothing whatsoever.
What I was gonna say. I was gonna say something.
He still has the gummy. He takes a sliver sometimes.
I was gonna say something. I forgot.
Yeah, but if he's only taking them and
He's
it's like,
cutting it like so small.
he's doing it like that, is taking a quarter of it, you know, and it's tiny. So if you can do that and control it.
peace and quiet.
It's good.
Do you have any straw?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Being married, so I'm keeping an eye on a nice you like make sure stuff in the kitchen.
Cranberry juice. Cheers.
If it gets too late, you don't want to take the train, I'll drive it.
Taking you the same amount of time. You don't realize that.
No, I do realize that you have to wait for the train.
It's too light for them drinking.
6:40. Got the 80 whatever, 801.
So the food soon come. Can't wait.
You watch yourself when you go home.
So I never come pick up these.
Whatever level, like if I go in a car and I see a happens once in a while or something crazy, I'll make my way to the car, but yeah, I'm aware of it.
Listen, this is
Me have
terrible.
to do them job for them.
If you listen to it enough, you will never go on the subway.
Well, I'll go on a subway, but I keep my eyes open.
So much easier. What someone has to do is behind you, you have eyes open.
Yes, you can. You have to be very, very aware of what's
You
around.
know, you keep listening more than looking.
Listen also.
Because usually if
Let's
somebody's
talk.
usually like going crazy, talking themselves, stuff like
I
that.
mean, the other thing is that people go down the subway, catch a train, and they're on their phone. So they're not aware, they kill time.
No, the worst part is, and they're not really dangerous, at least I haven't been so far, but it's more disgusting stuff. Is when you have this lovely new subway, so you probably haven't been through enough to remember, but go down the stairs.
Outside nice. Outside nice, but not as nice because it normally would have been more sunny.
So what that does allows all the homeless
I
basically
think because of the rain, overcast.
sleeping and stuff. I mean, it's a little on the disgusting side.
Any minute now for the food.
Even though it goes under our building. That was why the stairs ended up out on the street. Originally, they took the remnant of the main, they took the restaurant to the corner. What they really wanted was the stairway.
Any minute now for the
They would have had to move some gas lines. And they said, basically, oh yeah, come on, it's a no problem. So the engineers talking
earthquake.
in our buildings, we hired a lawyer at the time during the project. Went to, I guess,
Is
he
it
did or
an
someone else
earthquake
did.
or
Went to
something
contact
under the
and said,
floor?
okay, what about this? He never said that. The moment they depressurize our building, you can end up having to replace a lot of gas pipes. What happens is now we don't
But the nanny that come in with
pipes now to loosen up.
grandma.
Right now the building's under
The
pressure.
nanny taking out the grandma.
Big deal. They ended up out in the street.
See?
Taking out a picture of them jacking our building and putting,
See?
chopping out a column.
Hmm? The grandma and nanny.
Not jack up, but they put cords in.
I am
While they
so
chop out the
close.
column. Two new columns. The column wasn't where they wanted it. They did it in two places. They did it over where the stairs, escalators go down. That's actually
Don't be hungry and come to a diner.
another building. They had to support Now we have that pipe riser project. I found that's a little more involved. It's actually 3 pipes.
Well, are they finished with the hallways?
See, it's 20 minutes
But now they're
of
gonna
live. I mean, order it before the 20
They
minutes.
wanted to do anyway, because they held off. Oh, it had like cheesy soffits with this plastic vented fluorescent lights and stuff. We redid the whole ceiling with lights in the ceiling.
Little modernization.
Well, to match the hallway.
Oh, I never shaded that car, the lady.
They had to keep down the ceiling. It had a massive leak at one time. The ceiling shot. Redid the whole ceiling. Romeo asked me, he's going biking with his girl. He's coming Saturday. He says, well, I don't know if she has a bike. Do you think I can borrow your bike? No. Previously, I lent him an older bike. But he promised to ride it. I trust him to ride it.
Do you really?
Yes. Yes, I do. Dad, it's good friend.
Doesn't matter.
I understand.
I'm not hungry. Where
Sometimes
do with the
I
picture
would
them?
not
No,
have to friend.
this bike,
Where do with the picture them? Where you take?
this is my new bike. It's better than the old one. I'm not so sure about that. Thankfully, she has one of these bicycles.
Yes, I take me up, you know.
That solved that one.
Well, it's better to be honest, not to get a little annoyed than you take.
It's funny thing is when I got that new bookshelf with the chrome and the glass.
Oh, this
I
nice
could tell he
Danny.
liked it because he has
Nice
all
font.
these collectible robot toys from when he was younger. He used to collect like the Transformers and stuff. And he has these racks around this shelf would be ideal for it. I said, I knew it. I knew it would, like, if I hadn't gotten it, I would have showed it to him. And I said, I'll make a deal. I'll trade you the dishwasher I found you for this. He said, no, that's okay.
Quite the same.
Got him a Meals dishwasher. His broke, and
Food I take too
my
long.
neighbors on his floor were
Food like it a come now.
renovating. And they were getting rid of the dishwasher.
Jesus. And I'm
Thank
full
you.
of food.
Very nice.
You said the pork chops takes a little while to.
I figure. Jesus.
Sounds nicely prepared.
Yeah, but someone they must say order easy to. We order odd food. We order odd food. Jamaican have to eat some hard food. And I like soft food. Abisha. Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm cold.
Not quite roast, so this was a bake.
Well, we have a baked it.
Yeah, because we don't want to raw pork
No, but
chops.
when they say wedges, I read
Hi. So long may I wait for food? Almost 25 minutes or more. Good too. Where are you? Me?
one of our
Far. Where are you? Who are you? I'm not sure of the name. Who are you and where are you?
not like a giant where they're making everything. So they have stuff made.
Hmm? She sent you a picture?
Oh, I mean, they're all there. Said, oh yeah, I saw the dogs. She likes the dogs.
Is that the road now?
You have anything extra for us?
Because
You ready for it? You see, in Jamaica, they can wear anything. Anything you can wear in Jamaica.
have to dress up in a long sleeve. coat, stocking. Stocking. Jesus. What happened? Oh, it's changing table like us. I never like that table either.
Is it good?
Let me just reach.
I remember that.
Like a husband and wife should take care of.
Here they come.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
Hmm?
Very nice.
Sorry for the wait.
Thank you.
Yeah, enjoy your king. Are you done with this? You want to keep your fork?
Yes, done with that.
You want to keep your fork?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at that.
No, that's the
Was that him?
Let's look at the food. Look at the food. So I'm gonna go now, leave you guys because I'm gonna eat some food. So bye.